Today, we are going to talk about a super important topic, your daily routine in English. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. My morning routine starts when I wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch a little before getting out of bed. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel fresh and ready for the day. After that, I take a shower and get dressed in my school uniform. For breakfast, I usually have toast and eggs with a cup of coffee or tea. Eating a healthy breakfast gives me the energy to start my day. After eating, I pack my school bag, making sure I have all my books, notebooks, and stationery. Then, I quickly check my homework or any important notes for the day. I put on my shoes, grab my backpack. After getting ready in the morning, I leave for school around 7:30 a.m. Some students walk to school while others take the bus or get dropped off by their parents. On the way, I like to listen to music or chat with my friends. Once I reach school, the first thing I do is go to my classroom and get ready for the first lesson. We usually start the day with a morning assembly, where we listen to announcements and sometimes do exercises. After that, we go to our classes. Throughout the day, we study different subjects like math, science, English, and history. My favorite subject is science, because I find it really interesting. We also have short breaks between classes to relax and talk with friends. During lunch break, I go to the cafeteria or eat a homemade lunch. This is my favorite time to chat with my friends and take a break from studying. After lunch, we continue with more lessons, and sometimes we have sports or art classes, which make the day more fun. After a long day at school, it's finally time to go home. School usually ends around 2 or 3 p.m. I pack my books, say goodbye to my friends, and go to home. Some students take the school bus or get picked up by their parents. When I reach home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes and wash my hands. Then I have lunch or a small snack to refresh myself. After lunch, I take a short break. Sometimes I watch TV, check my phone, or just relax for a while. But I make sure not to waste too much time. By 3 p.m., I start doing my homework. I review my lessons, complete assignments, and prepare for any upcoming tests. Studying in a quiet place helps me concentrate better. If I have extra time, I like to read a book or practice a hobby, like drawing or playing a musical instrument. Sometimes I go outside to play sports or just take a walk. At 7:30 p.m., I have dinner with my family. This is a great time to talk about our day and spend quality time together. After dinner, I help clean up and then relax for a while. Some days I watch a movie or play games with my siblings. By 9 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and put on my pajamas. Before sleeping, I like to read a book or listen to some music to help me relax. Finally, at 9:30 or 10 p.m., I turn off the lights and go to sleep, ready for a new day. And that's my daily routine. What does your daily routine look like? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.